1322.
Or are these dudes just stopping and getting tacos? I mean, I don't blame them if they are, because it's probably a really great taco little joint. No! Dang, that thing just missed the taco truck, too. Look at it into the tree. Just missed it. Holy shit. Oh, tree! Oh, the tree. Oh, and I'm telling you, Billy, not by much. He did not miss the taco truck by much. Woo! Now, I just want to know.
Station Half-Brighton Avenue, 3956 and Half-Brighton Avenue. Code 3 insurance 3505 and RD3.
Oh, man, there's somebody dead in there, guys. Or they're stuck in there. They're stuck in there. Phew, he's moving. This is a live rescue, guys. Viewer discretion is advised. That man is still in that car. He is stuck. And there's a power pole, guys. I didn't even notice. That is a fucking power pole. I'm sure they had to cut the power, which is really dangerous. Of course, he could have got electrocuted to death. So, again, viewer discretion is advised here. Shout out to the first responders. Shout out to NLM Entertainment, Bakersfield, California. Alien will link the page. So this is a serious rescue here, guys.
Florence and who received a victim, a male 44-year saved by the taco stands, was assaulted by unknown suspect with a bat. Go 2 incident 3604 and already 1248.
Someone got fucking beat with a bat at the taco stand? Holy shit, nobody had a baseball bat.
This ball is crushed.
So was that guy's lung when he got hit with the baseball bat. Oh, that's what I'm trying to talk about, Billy. See, that's what I'm saying. That's a perfect example of when you need the mace. You step back 10 feet, he's got the bat, he's, and then you just already just, he ain't gonna fucking hit you from 10 feet with that thing. Maybe 5 feet. I'm telling you, you can hit him from 20 with the mace gun. I'll stand 10 feet back and get you right in the face, Bill.
30, no clothing.
Just said mid-30s, no clothing. Was it a guy or a girl? I need to know these things. And who is that? Why is it we've had 2 people running around naked now? With We had the transient chick who was running around naked. Remember her? And I told you guys she just, wash her, bathe her, and bring her to me, right? Now there's this one. Actually, that's 3, right? Because didn't we have is that 3? I'm missing one. I might have not wrote the other one down. I only have 2 written down. Was that 3? I'm thinking we had a dude also. I want to say we had a guy running around naked, but I could be wrong. I'm going to leave it that way. I believe it. All on tape. Aren't we all naked? I don't know, Daisy, but I want to know.
I got a photo.
I'm not naked, that's for sure.
Came around 498 West 13th Street in the alley between that location and South Coast with male clinic and now clothing jeans. Yelling and banging on garage doors. Incident 371 time or D566.
Is he taking his cock and beating him on garage doors?
Possible suspect there now, 20525 North Street. In the parking lot, suspect a male and no wearing a black jacket, black pants. Suspect vehicle is a white Ford van. He appears to be tampering with a U-Haul vehicle. It's code 2, incident 3717 or D1781.
Alright, so we got a car tamper and shit.
You're lucky they left the tape deck, though, in the Credence.
Yeah, I used to do that when I was a kid. I would, I'd take my dick and wrap the head of it in some, duct tape. And then walk around down an alley and just beat on my neighbor's garage doors. I told you about the implant when I got the pins and plates in my leg. I told you about how I told the doctor that I wanted the implant in my dick so I could knock the lamps and shit over. Just come over your house and fucking all your little, pictures of Timmy and Tommy are fucking knocked over, the lamps knocked over, and you just walk in, oh, Damon's here, shit. Well, it's not my fault. The ladies will love it. Shout out to the ladies. They'll absolutely love me.
Suspect 2717 West 3rd Street, the silver liquor suspect, male Hispanic, dark complexion, 35 years, blue shirt, blue jeans, previously attempted assault a customer with a rock, scope 2, incident 3762 and already 233.
Thank you, Toby and Christy Strong. Thank you.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. Always like to see you wiggle wiggle. For sure.
740 Southwestern, 740 Southwestern at Kung Fu Tea. Code 3, incident 3761, RD 2033.
Don't think I missed the rock thrower either over there.
Like the good book says, let he who is without sin throweth the first rock, and I shall smoke it.
U-Haul, go get you U-Haul, go get you a fucking quart. Oh, he almost fell. Swear, homie almost fell right now. He was pulling so hard on that, and I'm guessing that...
Valley Street, 1907 South Shenandoah Street, apartment number 1 on the first floor. Suspect would be subject girlfriend, female Hispanic, 20 years, pink shirt, gray pants, 390 is code 2, incident 3807, and already 889.
Dude, he's calling the cops on his girlfriend because she drunk and arguing with him. It's raining pretty good. Raining pretty good, right?
White security, convict suspect, male, white, mid-20s, no clothing, code 2, 367, RD 911.
Bro, not...
363, 30, 13, 21.
Oh my God.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
Bro, that's fucking at least 3. We couldn't confirm the other one, so there's at least our 3 now, possibly a 4th. Let's see. Is this the owner of the business?
Female, weight 30, just black sweater, black pants, broken to the basement of the residence. Code 2, incident 369, RD 421.
Look at burglary. $100,000 a month for any kid to be alive. On top of that,
15 Pacific Avenue, suspect female, Hispanic, 40 to 50 years, wearing Calvin Klein pajamas. Code 2, incident 3891, RD 1431.
she's in her Calvin Klein pajamas beating on fools. And on top of that, to pay $200,000 a month to that woman, and I use that term loosely, that is worth billions of dollars. Okay? So that kid, let me tell you something. Kanye could just go away forever and never give her a penny, and that kid will be just fine. Okay? Financially. Now, again, the kids need their father. Okay? I believe kids need both parents, and that's just my opinion. Okay? And I just think that for anybody to get raped for $200,000 a month is just insane. It's just insane because again, then he has to keep that up.
Suspect are now 1588 East 53rd Street, building to the rear of that location. Suspects are 2 female blondes, 18 to 19 years. Number 1, white or gray sweater, black sweatpants with stripes. Number 2 is wearing a blue sweatshirt, armed with a knife. Suspects breaking window at the location. It's code 2, incident 3900, RD 13.
So this is a man with a samurai sword? Oh man, that's fucking awesome. Oh man, of course we missed him with the sword. I wanted to see the sword.
Looks like a medieval warrior.
The sword of 1,000 truths.
Quiet, Thomas. We aren't to even speak of that sword.
Not even to speak of it.
Apparently, it can cause 120 damage per second with an instant mana burn and an enchantment that boosted stamina plus 80.
13523 Van Nuys Boulevard, unit number 3, living female, Hispanic, 14 years, black clothing, not being let into residence by family. Code 2, incident 3903, 1621.
We locked her out. This fool's over here carrying the sword with this fucking, with the, what was it, the mana boost plus 80? I gotta hear the drop one more time.
Apparently, it can cause 120 damage per second with an instant mana burn and an enchantment that boosted stamina plus 80.
Instant mana burn. It boosted stamina plus 80. Imagine if it really was the sword of 1,000 truths. Some crazy tweaker in Bakersfield is fucking ends up. That would be so perfect, you know? That would be how it really would be in life. If there really was a sword of 1,000 truths, it would be stolen and it would be found in some tweaker's backpack in Bakersfield. Like, I could just see it. Like, that's the story it would truly be. You know, it wouldn't be like the smog or you're going through fighting a dragon to find it. No. Oh, you're not finding a stack of coins and a dragon and all that. Not happening. You're driving down the street and see the sword in his shopping cart right here. Where'd you find that, dude? Someone sold it to me for $6. Paid $6 for the sword of 1,000 truths. Looks cool though, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's a big response. I mean, he has samurai sword, so I want to see the sword. Just wish we would have got there a little earlier.
The 7-Eleven. Suspects are 2 male Middle Eastern to 7-Eleven employees wearing 7-Eleven uniforms. They're armed with a stick. The sold to the victim is a male white wearing an orange beanie and black shorts. Code 2-3936 and RD 1445.
Beat him with sticks.
They did at 7-Eleven, the 2 workers. The 2 7-Eleven employees beat the shit out of somebody with a stick. Metal Slug, never played that. Samurai Showdown, that's it. Through the wall. Car's in the backyard, I think. Where's the car? All I see is busted back wall. Holy shit. Car's back there, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ. So we saw one car. Oh, yeah. We saw one car fucking into a building. Now we see a car into what I'm guessing is somebody's house. In the backyard of somebody's house. Sheesh. It's a rollover in the structure. Guy hanging out of the car. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Holy shit. That looks like a Jeep. Dang, like a Rubicon or something. It's one of those nice-ass new Jeeps, it looks like. What do you guys think? Flipped over. So there it is. He took out portions of the wall and then was... That's why he would be hanging out the car, because those Rubicons, that shit's rough, man. Them cars ain't made a whole... You know, not very made structurally sound, I would guess. But, yeah, no rebar in the wall. Like, oh, boy. They're on Jeeps because they sell. Oh, I know, I bet. They're very popular.
Domestic violence, 725 Whitmer Street, apartment 210. Suspect is the ex-boyfriend, male white, has barricaded the PR into the apartment by screwing the door closed. PR is unable to leave. Suspect is possibly asleep in the bedroom. Code 2, incident 86, RD 269.
Holy shit. This motherfucker locked her in the room. She's calling the cops. And he's possibly asleep in the front room after he locked her. You know he ain't asleep in that shit. You know he ain't asleep. He playing sleep. Because if you could just go to sleep after locking your girlfriend into a room, like, and pleasantly sleep, you got problems. I'm going to let you know that right now, gentlemen. That's something you could do without batting an eye. You need to talk to a psychotherapist.
50 fucking yard line.
Smoke.
And away they go.
There we go, wench time. Is she going to be easy? Is she going to be a pain? No, I think you got her. Look at all the shit coming out of it. Holy shit. What's it? Listen.
28th Street, approximately 3 gunshots, heard code 216
Jeez, I gotta take a leak so bad I can taste it.
Unit 44 suspect just left, 1520 South Manhattan Place. The suspect was actually walking northbound on Manhattan Place towards Pico less than 5 minutes ago. A male black, green hooded sweater and black pants. School 2 incident 98 or 2071.
Yeah. Yeah, that thing's pretty done, bro.
My old man is a television repairman. Got this ultimate set of tools. I can fix it.
It never closes. Okay, got it.
Okay, units of 2182, 2182, Possible ADW suspect are now 6200 Barrio Avenue at the Q Luxury Apartments. On the 5th floor, unknown unit, male and female Ferrari and possibly on physical altercation, male stated he was hit in the face with a handgun. Pair does not have visual code 3 incident 137 2158.
Somebody got pistol whipped it, dude. Pistol whipped it. Let's go to Hollywood Beach, Florida. Some bottle kid shit. Like, who does that?
Lance overdose 6701 Cantaloupe Avenue and subject is
Let's go to Vegas.
29 years. First incident 15699
that occurred at 1562 South Palm Beach Boulevard, 1562 South Palm Beach, Compton, at 711. Again, the 211E, and I don't have a vehicle description. All I have is that it's moving southbound Paramount, approaching Candlewood. Southbound Paramount, approaching Candlewood.
So we have a robbery, and they're tracking the car, and it was at a 7-Eleven. Yeah.
Interview suspect 19613 Santa Cruz Street at the guest house to the rear. His brother-in-law, 924 years, black tank top, black pants, arm with a kitchen knife, hanging on the glass window, suspected place in their front house, code 2 incident 159
Henry Jones, Tom Roberts, trailer type vehicle with a plate of Ford Union Lincoln 3011.
Alright. So there you go. We got somebody with a knife. Look at her. She's flicking that ball. Look at her. I told you she's a firecracker. This chick's too much.
Yeah, racing.
She's flicking that motherfucker off. Look at her face. She's pissed right now. What'd you say? Wait, what? Oh, he threw something at her. Oh. Gonna push her in the back, push her into the coconuts. It's probably her brother. She is spunky. She's a little firecracker. It's probably her brother. I'd assume they're probably all siblings, you know.